Hello friends, I'm Mr. Bhalirao sir and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, today we are going to learn about an appreciation of the poem Where the Mind is Without Fear. This poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Before going to see an appreciation, I request you please subscribe my channel. Appreciation. Point number 1. Title. The title of the poem is Where the Mind is Without Fear. Point number 2. Poet. The poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Point 3. Rhyme scheme. The poem Where the Mind is Without Fear is written in free verse without any rhyme scheme or meter followed throughout the poem. Point 4. Favorite line. My favorite lines are Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. Next point 5. Theme or central idea. The poet feels that for people to enjoy freedom, it was necessary for them to break all those shackles, political, social, or even personal beliefs and superstitions. Next point, figures of speech. The figures of speech used in this poem are personification, alliteration, symbolism, and metaphor. Next point 7. Special features, type of the poem, language, style, tone, implies meaning, etc. Answer. Where the Mind is Without Fear is set in India of poet's dream. This is the India that he hoped will be created after its independence from British rule. Next point 8. Why I like or dislike the poem. I like this poem because Tagore has expressed that freedom was more than merely political. He dwelt on the theme of spiritual freedom, freedom of mind, speech, thought, belief, practice, and behavior. Friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you a good day. Thank you very much.